Hello, today I'm going to be making a cell phone case using some pretty washi. I'm using Simply Gilded Washi because they're totally adorable. I'm going to be using regular scissors, an X-Acto knife, and a pencil. So this phone case has a transparent back, and I will add what that is in the description box below. So first you're going to take a plain white sheet of paper, and this is just regular printer paper, and then I'm going to start tracing the borders of the back. So once we have like an approximate template, I'm just going to place it on top and see if that's okay. If you can notice, I need to make this edge, move this edge a little more towards the side. Now I'm just going to cut it with my regular scissors. This is the hard part once you get started. But eventually you'd have a template which you can just copy off of, and this way you can just place it on top and then just trace over it, and that way you'd have a good template. So this is approximately the same as the template I had before. So now I'm just going to erase out these lines, and then I'm going to start placing my washi. So for today's cover, I'm going to be using this happy ghost washi from Simply Gilded, and these two washi, they were from the pre-sale, and it's always nicer to sort of alternate them and not just keep both the bows together. You'll see what I mean in a little bit. I'm just going to pull this up very slowly. We are now just going to trim it out. So now that we have this trimmed up, we're just going to place it inside a cell phone and see if we need to trim some more. So that seems pretty much it. Oh, maybe just a little more here. And there you have it. That's your Simply Gilded cell phone case ready for Halloween. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I love hearing from the viewers. Have a good day.